In this video, we will be demonstrating the erase command using the crossing option. And we're going to be inside of the student edit commands worksheet to demonstrate this. So I'm going to roll down here into the erase crossing polygon and to demonstrate the erase crossing polygon option command. So we're going to type erase. I could also go up here and click on erase. And notice there are no options there. I just have to know I can click or type CP. And when I do that, it then says, hey, click on the first point of your crossing polygon. So I'm going to make sure my object snap is turned on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Notice how they're all highlighted now, or they're, excuse me, not highlighted, but grayed out with that green crossing window. And if I hit enter, the window goes away and it shows me what it's going to erase. Okay, I'm going to undo that and demonstrate it one more time. So I'm going to type in erase. I'm going to type in CP, hit enter. I'm going to click on this one, this one, this one, this one, and that one. Then I hit enter. And notice they're grayed out. I hit enter again. And then I'm just going to click on these guys and get rid of those. And that is how you use the erase command with the crossing polygon or CP option.